Hey guys, my name's Nate. I'm from Shorewood Home and Auto, and I just got in a 2026 Ranger 1000 cab. This machine is the new benchmark for an affordable cab unit. Basically, this is based on a 1000 premium machine, but Polaris added a cab from the factory, as well as heat. It does not have air conditioning, but it does have heat in the cab. We'll get right to it. It's got a really nice cab, including the premium headliner. Over here, we've got our PID screen. We've got our gauges set up here. We have our headlight switches and our winch switch down here. And then in the center, we've got our four-wheel drive and our windshield wipers. It does have factory windshield wipers. And then we've got our heater controls. Below that, we've just got our power outlets and our battery maintainer plug. Like all our Rangers right now, we've got high, low, neutral, reverse, and park. It does have the nice stitched seating inside. As far as windows go, it's all glass, but the front is the fixed one. It does not flip out. And then the side windows are crank windows. Comes with a synthetic winch on the front. Comes with power steering, the premium wheels and tires. We're going to take this thing for a drive and get it on the sales floor. Come take a look at it.